Welcome you all to this session on disaster management. So in this video also we are going to see some topics which we left over in the course outcome 3. Okay, so we already discussed certain topics in course outcome 3. Now we will be seeing what is meant by climatic change adaptation. So it will be referring to the actions that reduce the negative impact of climate change. Okay, so we will be taking advantage of all the potential new opportunities by adjusting the policies and actions, and also will be reducing the negative impact of climate change. So actually we do have two policy responses. One will be mitigation. So we will be here, we'll be addressing what will be the root cause. So we'll be trying to reduce the greenhouse gas emissions. Okay, we'll be trying to reduce the global warming. Right. Well, adaptation, in case of adaptation, we'll be seeking to lower the risk by what risk we do have in the climatic changes. We'll try to lower the risk. Both approaches will have to be done in order to dramatically reduce the emissions, etc. So, we know very well this Intergovernmental Panel on Climatic Change was being established in 1988 by the World Meteorological Organizations. Okay, so we have it as meteorological organizations and the United Nations Environment. The main use is actually to assess the climatic change based on the latest science. So what it is actually is, it's an intergovernmental body of United Nations. So what is the purpose? It is dedicated to provide the world with the objective scientific information so that we can understand the human-induced climatic change and also what impact is having and what risk is being involved and what are the response options we do have. So this will be addressed in the IPCC. So what are the findings with regard to India is actually the annual temperatures in India is increased from 1.7 to 2.2 degrees Celsius also. Okay, the Himalayan region is seeing the maximum increase in precipitations and northeastern will be experiencing the minimum increase. And increase in extreme rainfall will be occurred at the expense of weaker rainfall events over the central Indian region. So these are some findings which have been given by IPCC for India. So we know very well if these people, they do have indigenous knowledge, some knowledge regarding the disasters. Okay, that is will be based on the community coping practices that have been helping to combat the disasters. So this is actually difficult to define. Okay, so seeing the clouds or based on some conditions that they will be predicting, it will be very difficult to define it, and also the theory also will be ambiguous. Okay, so we'll have to come out with a universally applicable principle so that we can apply into all the situations. Thanks for your patient listening.